and gentlemen, we're only a few minutes away from our second drawing of the day. So don't lose steam with buying those raffle tickets.
Still the baddest.
Yeah, they have a car. That corner might have one right.
Got one flag.
They might come with it, yeah. They don't use it for your toilets. That's right. He knows all this stuff.
It's a pretty car.
And so, Daddy would just break it. It's got everything. And you know, that's what I got it. I'm gonna retire. I have the same.
It's a bone acre, as Steve puts it.
My kids get older, they don't want to touch
Like his money gave us for it. Okay, that's
Deltas. Fanny packets on.
Where'd you go earlier?
Store.
All right, just a couple announcements. Saturday, May 17th, right here at 5 p.m. is the Ride to Walk benefit event, Boots and Scoots Barn Dance. That's right, May 17th. We've also got t-shirts for sale to the right side of the stage. And I'd like to mention some other sponsors. Capital City RC, Castrol Oil, CIP1, Dealer Tire. Put your hands together for these fantastic sponsors.
I need one that's good. We're going to put them anyway, so hopefully I find it already. Because we're going to put them Keep in mind, if you're ever in your way and you're, sitting the collection, it's a very nice setup.
Oh, thank you.
16 different supervisors.
Red book to the same.
That's kind of bullshit.
We're going to go tell Cam about it. Oh. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'll tie them up for you. All right. I'll save them. All the goodies.
All the hoops. Yeah, at least go.
At least?
At least go. Yeah, 350.
Plus.
You're getting set up, I think.
Hey, I ain't gonna tell nobody's deal.
Question.
Okay.
No. We're all in the same party. We're just asking.
Okay. Yeah.
Hey, I'm gonna tell you what, though, there's no refunds, okay?
Still recording? I'm still recording. Jeez.
Well, actually, I gotta take off probably after the job.
All right.
I'll walk through it.
All the time. He had to
And they're challenging any
said, Rob, you know what, there's a lot of great Volkswagen shows throughout the year, but this is one that we come to for the charity. This is the one we come to for the charity, and we appreciate you. As heavy and as loud as you can, and we're here to represent the charity, and I think we spoke for at least 90% of the people around here. Again, we're trying to meet all of your expectations.